Everyone would like to expand their Instagram account. One of the most effective ways to do this is to use hashtags. But not all that are the right hashtags. In this video, I'll teach you how to choose the right hashtags for your Instagram profile. And also what's great using free tools. Keep watching. Today, you will be taught how to choose the most appropriate hashtags for Instagram to gain more followers, more attention and increase your company's visibility through Instagram. Before we begin, please the like button on the video. If you're the first time on our channel, be sure to subscribe, if you want to see more videos on online businesses, making money online, and more. So let's stop wasting time and go directly into our point and see how things work. I want to make things special and explain by a direct example. Today I want to publish a new post on the profile. So I will show you live now, how you can pick your right hashtags. So here I'm using a free plugin called Insist. This one will help you to manage your Instagram profile in your browser, and this really makes things a lot easier. You can click on this button here and you'll open your Instagram profile here on your desktop. This is very important. It will help you manage things easily and publish everything from your desktop. Now I want to publish a new post. I will go to Canva and I have this post I want to publish today on my profile. By the way, canva.com is one of the best websites to create any type of social media posts. You can check the link in the description. Now I will go here and download this post. I will simply upload the image so that I can publish it to my Instagram profile. Now it will show me the details like what to write in captions. The second thing you have to do is write the captions and the hashtags, and here is where the main work starts, and pick the right hashtags. So this post is about online business and related stuff. You need to search for keywords or hashtags related to your niche. In my case, as you see, we are in an online business niche. So I will paste a small caption here, and now we need to pick some hashtags. Now where to find hashtags? Simply go to this website hsupertools.com, go here to the Instagram hashtag generator. Now in my case, this post is about online business. I will say here as an example online business and then enter. Now it will give you a list of the top 30 hashtags and some related data. Now of course don't just copy and paste like this, but here we have a list of hashtags ideas you can check. You need to check this table and see some hashtags like online business here. It's somehow difficult, but it's okay. Now you can copy and go back to Insist, and what's nice here is, we have this tag assistant. Go to collections and you can add a collection here. I will simply paste the hashtags here, and then we need to pick other hashtags. You can see here we have some hashtags also like online business coach, online business beginner. You can pick some of these from here. What you are going to do is to build a set of up to 30 hashtags on Instagram. We can add up to 30 hashtags, so you can increase the potential or the reach of your posts. Now here is a tip: search for difficult hashtags that you don't have that chance to rank on, but make sure to keep it like 5 to 10 hashtags with high difficulty, then, go with medium and easier difficulty also. In the end, make sure to add your own hashtags, so that you can grow your own brand hashtags as well. Boom. You can see I added up to 30 hashtags, we have 0 hashtags remaining. Now before we move on, I want to mention that, we have a tool called the Flick. This tool also helps you to generate Instagram hashtags. Now it's not free, but you can go to my description and start a 7 days free trial to test it if you want. Just test it and see how things work, or maybe you can generate a list of hashtags and save them somewhere, maybe inside Insist or on your computer. I will continue now to show you how this tool works. Just in case you want to test it, you can go here to find hashtags and simply write a keyword. In my example, I will write again, online business. You can see it will show you low competition, medium competition and high competition keywords. You can pick and add it to your profile. Also you can go here with a table view and see the data in a table with all the metrics. You can select and add it to your collection or copy to clipboard and use it in your profile. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, so that we can provide you more helpful information. See you in the next video.